Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am gonna be sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful crochet shawls ideas. You will see different kinds of shawls pattern in this video. Most of the designs are of rectangular shawls, but you will also see some of the designs of wrap shawls in this video, and poncho shawls are also included, just a few of them, but you will see those designs as well. And I have included the designs which are mostly made with multicolor yarn, and contrasting colors are used in abundance. Most of the designs are made with multicolor yarn, and you will see some designs which are made with contrasting colors, and 7 to 8 contrasting colors are used in single product like this one, and giving an effect of a multicolor yarn. So all of these designs are very attractive and beautiful. You will see different rectangular wrap shawls designs. You will see semicircle designing ideas and most of the designs of triangular shawls in this video as well. And all of these designs are having different varying styles. You can see from this video different varying styles are carried through these designing ideas. So give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box if you love most of these designs. And if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of these kinds of designs, just let me know in the comments as well. And I will share crochet tutorial videos of these patterns with you as well, because on this channel, other than these kinds of ideas videos, crochet tutorial videos are also available. So you will find different kinds of crochet patterns which are already available on my channel. Like you will find posters videos, daily tutorial videos. You will see baby stuff ideas, like you will find many of the crochet hats patterns, baby headband patterns, baby frocks, and baby dresses, which are already available on my channel. And some of the adult stuff designing ideas are also available. You will find different wrap shawls and pocket shawls tutorials, which are already available on my channel. And if you are interested in seeing these kinds of shawls designs and patterns, just don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box as well, because I will also upload tutorial videos on these designs as well if you are interested in seeing these patterns. So don't forget to subscribe to get more ideas videos like this, and also crochet tutorial videos. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and also share this video with other handmade products lover in your circle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.